Hello guys, if you want to create a free business email ID and the business email ID will name after your domain name like contact@yourdomainname.com, then here you have come to the right place. I will tell you free method. In this method you will create free business email ID and how to create that. Let's go into the video. So let's say you have a domain name like google.com is your domain name. So if you do /cpanel and you enter it, you will find a page. Okay, so let me do the same thing in my domain. I did the same in my domain and I click enter, and you will find that there is a login page appear. In the login page you need to put your username, put your password, and remember that if you have your website hosted in cPanel, then you will get this. Okay, so this information is cPanel email ID. So if you have hosted the website in cPanel, then you will get a cPanel login detail. In this here you will put your username, put your password and login. If it is not provided by you or if it is not available with you, then you can contact your hosting provider and they will assign this username and password, and they will give to you so that you can log in. Once you log in, you will get a page like this. Once you log in, you will get a page like this. In this page, this is called a cPanel.
If I search email, so here you can see that email accounts. If I click here email account, and here in this email account you can create unlimited business free email ID. Okay, unlimited free business email ID, and here you can see that 500 I have given 500 and I have used one, and rest 499 are available with me. So let's create one more email ID and let's see how the email sending and receiving is done. So create one more. So this is my domain name, so I will create one more. So let's say the name is something like that. I have given a name, but some information are being blurred due to the security issue. I don't want to receive any spam email ID or something, that's why some information I have hidden it. So domain name and username I have given. Now it is asking set a password now, so I will set a password now. The password is something like this. Now email storage, how much storage you want for this email ID? 250 is the by default. I want to make it unlimited, so I choose unlimited. Then automatically create folder for plus addressing. Yeah, you can keep it there. Send a welcome email with instruction to set up mail to a client. Okay, no problem. I just press the create button. Here you can see that one more email ID has been created. Like if I check email, then if I will go to check the email, it take me to the setup page where what is the default method you want to use with. Okay, I want to use this, select this one, and you can see that the email has been ready. The email sender is already ready. Now if I will send and receive, and I will test, I will send one to my email ID and a sample text, anything you want to put, and send button, it will send a email. Okay, now I have shown that how to access this email from the cPanel, but it is not mandatory that every time you log into the cPanel and access this email ID. So for this, again a simple URL I will give. The simple domain name, again you enter domain name, you enter, and /webmail, and the email ID you created over here, you put the email ID in the login bar. Okay, here we'll see that a login page will appear. The login URL, the login email ID, you put it over here. The password you used to create this email ID, you put it over here, and login. And here you can see that the login is successful. Now if you remember that I have sent previously, I have sent a email to this email ID. Let's see whether I have received a email or not. Sometimes the email takes a time to set up, like 1 hour or 2 hour, so you have to wait it before testing it. So I have sent this, and yes, I received it onto my spam folder because the subject is test, that's why I received received it on my spam folder. I received it. Receive test is done. Now sending. Actually sending test is done. Now receiving text to this email ID of our cPanel free email ID. So just wait for a couple of moment. So here you can see that I got a email and the email is received. So this is how you can create a free business email ID from cPanel, and how to access it also I have told you. If you find this video is helpful, if you like this video, if you want to watch more videos like this, then you can check out my other videos in my YouTube playlist. So right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.